How to set up direct deposit on DoorDash. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can set up direct deposit on DoorDash. For this, you want to download and install the DoorDash driver app on your device. Once you have downloaded this, open the Dasher app. Now you want to sign into your account. For that, enter all of your credentials and then you will be signed into your account. Now, once you have been logged in, you want to tap on the earnings option at the top right corner. Then tap on the view payout details button. Then you want to select change payout method. Now you will have to fill out your bank information. So enter your name on the bank account, your social security number, your bank's routing number, your bank account number. If you have checks, you can find your bank routing and account number. Then you want to tap on the submit bank details option. And with these easy steps, you can set up direct deposit on DoorDash. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.